Are you struggling with slow hair growth, hair thinning, or breakage? You're not alone. But don't worry. Today, I'll share the best practical tips that actually work and help you grow longer, thicker hair, naturally. Stay till the end because I'll reveal a powerful hair growth hack most people don't know about. Chapter 1. Morning Hair Care Routine. Start your day right. Scalp massage before getting out of bed. Did you know that massaging your scalp before getting out of bed can speed up hair growth? While you're lying down, blood circulation to your scalp is naturally high. Spend just 2 minutes doing a gentle scalp massage with your fingertips to wake up your hair follicles. Combing technique. Are you doing it wrong? Most people yank their comb from the top to the bottom, but this causes breakage. Instead, use this method. Start detangling from the ends, then move upwards. Use a wooden comb to reduce static and improve scalp circulation. If your hair is tangled, apply a little hair serum or oil before combing. Chapter 2. The hidden hair growth blockers. Fix these ASAP. Tight hairstyles. Are they damaging your hair? High ponytails, buns, and tight braids may look stylish, but they pull on your scalp and weaken hair roots, leading to hair fall. Instead, opt for loose hairstyles or braids that aren't too tight. Silk or satin scrunchies instead of tight elastics. Changing your parting position every few days to avoid stress on the same hair strands. Sun protection, a step you're probably skipping. We apply sunscreen to our skin, but what about our hair? UV rays weaken hair strands, making them dry and brittle. Wear a hat, scarf, or UV protection spray when going outside. If you spend long hours in the sun, apply a lightweight leave-in conditioner with UV protection. Chapter 3. Hydration and nutrition. Feed your hair from the inside out. Heat styling. Do this to minimize damage. Frequent use of straighteners, curling irons, or blow dryers removes moisture from your hair. But if you must style your hair with heat, follow these rules. Always apply a heat protectant spray before styling. Use the lowest heat setting possible, below 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Limit heat styling to twice a week or less. Hydration. Your hair is thirsty too. Dry hair leads to split ends and breakage, making it seem like your hair isn't growing. To keep your hair hydrated, drink 2.5 liters of water daily. Add coconut water or herbal teas for extra hydration. Use a hydrating hair mist throughout the day if your hair feels dry. Hair-friendly diet. Eat these foods for faster growth. Your hair is made of protein and keratin, so if you're not eating the right foods, your hair won't grow properly. Protein: eggs, fish, lentils, tofu, for hair strength. Omega-3, fatty acids, flax seeds, walnuts, salmon, for scalp health. Iron and biotin, spinach, almonds, bananas, to prevent hair fall. Vitamin C, oranges, bell peppers, to help with collagen production. Pro tip: eat a handful of soaked almonds and walnuts every morning for a natural hair growth boost. Chapter 4. Hair Growth Boosters. Proven DIY treatments. Overnight hair masks. Wake up to healthier hair. Applying a nourishing overnight mask once a week can deeply strengthen your hair. Here's a powerful DIY mask. 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Soothes scalp, boosts hair growth. -1 tablespoon castor oil. Rich in fatty acids for thickening hair. -1 tablespoon coconut milk. Deeply hydrates. Massage this into your scalp. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Hot oil treatment. A 5-minute miracle for hair growth. Massaging warm oil into your scalp stimulates blood flow and strengthens hair follicles. Mix coconut oil plus castor oil plus a few drops of rosemary oil. Warm it slightly and massage into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Wrap your hair with a warm towel for better absorption. Chapter 5. Lifestyle changes. The secret to long hair. Sleep and hair growth. Are you sleeping right? Did you know your hair grows the most while you sleep? That's why getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is essential. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce friction. Avoid sleeping with wet hair. It weakens your strands. Tie hair in a loose braid or bun to prevent tangling. Stress and hair loss. How to prevent stress-induced shedding. Stress releases cortisol, which can shrink hair follicles and slow growth. Here's how to control it. Practice deep breathing or meditation for 10 minutes daily. Take a 5-minute scalp massage break during stressful moments. Exercise at least 30 minutes daily to boost blood circulation. Chapter 6. Bonus hair growth hacks. Lesser known but effective. Flip your hair upside down. This inversion method increases blood flow to your scalp. Just flip your head upside down for 30 seconds to 1 minute daily and gently massage your scalp. Use rice water as a hair rinse. Fermented rice water is packed with amino acids that strengthen hair and boost growth. Rinse your hair with it twice a week after shampooing. Stop touching your hair constantly. Running your fingers through your hair or playing with it can cause breakage and weaken your strands. Keep your hands off. Now that you know these powerful hair growth secrets, which tip are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants longer, healthier hair. See you in the next video for more amazing beauty tips.